Hello beautiful people, my name is Donna and I'm gonna be doing my hair today. Originally I wanted to do this style, but that, I don't know if my hands could. She made up. So instead we're gonna be attempting to do this style. I've been on my natural I've been on my natural hair journey for a while now, but I've been really consistent in taking care of my natural hair. This year, I would say for about 6 months now. I'm not gonna lie, the natural hair community, don't kill me. I'm missing the braids. I'm missing those straight back cornrows. I'm missing the boho knotless. I'm missing the wigs. I'm missing all of it. And that's why I feel as though I need to be one of those naturals who just do what they want. Like Nally Nut. That's exactly what we're gonna do today. I have my handy dandy comb.
Hey, so I tried to get to the point of showing all the products, but you know with ADHD, you never really get to the point. So just screenshot this for your reference.
I suffer from seborrheic dermatitis, so I don't really put gel on my hair. But if I need to, I'll get just a smidge of this. Turn on the light, shall we? Is that better? Oh yeah, that's way better. This 3-way mirror. We're gonna get to work. Okay, it's currently 8:44. I was supposed to go to the gym today, but I was like, gym or hair? Gym or hair? I chose hair. That gym gonna see me tomorrow.
That gym, in fact, did not see me tomorrow, guys.
Ta-da! We ready. Would I consider this a hair tutorial? No. Could it be a yap session? Maybe. Could it be a trust the process moment? Absolutely. And I really gotta take advantage of doing this hair before my mama get home. Because if my mama get home, it's not gonna be fun anymore. We got the iPad, so you already know. We about to bust out the tunes. Hey. I should do that. Am I gonna get copyrighted? Gotta adjust her. I just put to go. Hey, I shut up. Make sure that she ain't fall. You always laugh when I close the door. Cause you always everywhere. This be the worst. Parting that hair. The scalp already itching. We gonna need some hydration, babes, if we gonna be able to preserve and keep this style in. Okay, we split it in half. Perfectly clean down the middle. Depending on how my hair performs, and will determine if I feel the need to like grab extra hair. Maybe y'all can let me know if the girl needs some extra hair. And I took out my nails because I know I wasn't gonna be able to braid with those nails on. I'm sorry. This is gonna take, it's already about to be 4. I'm gonna be using these for scalp care. This is the Long and Luxe As I Am Scalp Serum. And this is a hair growth serum roll-on. I don't know, my mom would be just buying random products and I just be using them. So I'm thinking about doing 3 zigzags, so 1 zigzag, 2 zigzag, 3 zigzag, then 1 zigzag, 2 zigzag, 3 zigzag. Probably do a row in the back. No, I actually will do a row in the back. What am I talking about? You'll get the vision once it's, yeah. I love doing my hair, but parting just can get real tedious. Because you know, the worst feeling ever is when you're braiding and you pull from other sections of hair that you weren't supposed to pull from. Like, ew. I've been able to retain so much length. Like, this is just the front section. Guys, almost an hour and I'm still stuck. Like, I don't know what's making this style really complicated for me. And I decided to stand up because, you know, I was trying to be cute. Right here. This part is good for what we want to do. If that ain't working, then I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm just gonna give up. I'm gonna do 2 braids and call it a day. Cause this is already stressing me out. And this light is too damn bright. I'm gonna come back when it's done. I'm finna follow the key. I got a key. Get it, I follow the person down me. I'm finna hit and I know I won't be this. It really be minimal. Cause I know what I wanted. Get a key. Do I switch? I got a key. I really walking the key. And walking the flame. I'm going back to the past. Get a key. Get it, I follow the person. It wasn't my DJ days. I was mixing and stuff. Donna mix. So I parted this side, now we're gonna move on to this side. It took me, it's 5:21. I was struggling so hard to figure this out. It's been a while since I did my hair, like for real. You know, they say muscle memory always lasts. I don't think that was the case for me today. In fact, proved otherwise, that muscle memory does not work in my favor. I forgot how to part my hair. I've been a little lazy. Like, I'm so glad I'm doing like the cute, creative, intricate styles again because I miss that so much. I used to love doing creative styles with my hair. And I could say that I did it. Well, if it turns out crappy, then no, I'm not gonna say that I did it. But let's resume. I'm a little tender-headed, I ain't gonna hold you. Give it praise. Okay, fam. So after about an hour and some change, actually 2 hours of parting, to make the zigzag or the S-braid, for us to do that, we have to do the little squares in between. If we just go straight to zigzagging, we're gonna get confused. I'm gonna get overstimulated and I won't want to do this anymore. I tend to get overstimulated very easily. But yeah, we took out our first section of the braid. We have our base braid in the back. I should do this braid first, and I'm still stuck on whether or not I want to add hair to this because I don't know, braiding hair and I mean, I never had an issue with braiding hair. I'm gonna use this is my mama's leave-in. It feels really good on the hair. I put some on a little bit, so I'm gonna spray some in my hand to kind of re-moisturize and rehydrate this hair because we don't braid dry, brittle hair. I think I should grab my butters because if this is a protective style we're leaving in for the rest of the month. But my hair feels really strong. I did a keratin treatment yesterday. One from AphoG, the 2-minute. Yeah, that one. I should top it with some pink lotion. So far, this is doing it. It's kind of reverting a little bit, so I may have to braid a lot quicker. That's our first little section. We're gonna do a box here, box here, box here, up until we get to here, and then that'll be a straight braid. Oh my gosh, I keep grabbing hair! I wanna make sure I get this part on film for y'all so y'all know just how to like kind of do it. I'm grabbing this next section. The issue for me isn't the braiding down, it's when I have to braid up. In order to have distinct S's, curvatures, you want to make sure you're anchoring that braid, that corner, before you start grabbing pieces going up, if that makes sense. I don't even know if I'm doing this correctly. It feels correct enough. Okay. It's giving, is it giving S or is it giving swirl? We want this to give S vibes all the way. Okay, so then we're gonna grab our last section and I'm gonna grab one of these smaller pins to pin this back because I don't want to make the mistake of grabbing the hair. How do people talk and give tutorials at the same time? But you know what I mean. I'm not trying to make that mistake of grabbing unnecessary hair strands. Well, let me turn towards the back and then y'all can. You see, like, braiding down isn't difficult for me. This one I gotta put that braid up. As you can see, we got a little S thing going on. And I'm being careful not to braid tight because if I can feel the hairstyle, then it's not protective. You know what I mean? As much as I want to have those nice S's, I have to be careful not to cause too much tension to my strands, my delicate fine strands. And then I think at this point, I could braid the braid back like this, but I think I'm gonna do one more little floop right there. I'm gonna part that real quick, just like that. Yeah. Let me should get all those hairs because I would have never seen that little. Okay, now, and this is the part that's the worst, is having to braid up. It's like my fingers don't know what to do when it gets to having to braid up, but. Kind of just like, and this is the downside with doing cornrows. I'd rather do knotless braids over cornrows because my arms be burning. And that's why I told y'all it's gonna be my hair over the gym because I technically am having my gym session right now. I think that is it. Let's see how that's looking. Okay, ziggy, ziggy. Oh, ziggy, 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 what? Oh, you see, and this is why we part because I'm starting to grab hair that I shouldn't be grabbing. I ultimately decided I do want to add hair to this because I kind of missed that length. Even though I have quite a decent amount of, I just want to add some. I'm gonna smooth some pink lotion over the strands of hair that I'm adding, just so that it doesn't brush up against my hair too much. And just like smooth, especially at the roots because that's where the friction happens the most. This is Hollywood Yaki. This hair is a lot lighter than, what's that brand of hair? Expression.
Okay, we're approaching the end of this tutorial, but I wanted to show you guys exactly how I part out my boxes to get those zigzags S's that we want. And I discovered that the 808 base gel from the Do worked the best for smoothing down my hair, also with providing moisture over the pink lotion. Because pink lotion, over time, if you continue to add it, it'll dry out your hair if you're not properly sealing in that moisture. And I also discovered a hat, guys. So when we're braiding up, you literally are just going to turn your hands over. I hope that makes sense if you saw the way my hands were like set up.
I really thought I could do this style, but it looks like patience is a virtue. Give yourself time and you'll get it.